Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar, where we are making drinks from countries all over the world. And this week, it's gonna be a little fun, it's gonna be a little different. We are going to Colombia. So short and sweet, let's get into it. Start this off with a shaker half full of ice. Now we're going to add 2 shots of vodka and follow that up with 3 shots of orange juice. We're going to give that a shake and pour it into 2 glasses with ice. Now for a bit of magic, we are going to add half a shot of grenadine and half a shot of blue curacao to each glass. You can even give the blue curacao a stir to help create a more green look. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have a cocktail for Colombia. Red, green, yellow, just like the flag. Let's give it a taste. That's good. You really can't go wrong with vodka and orange juice. Thanks for joining me here at Nate's Happy Hour Bar, guys, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.